Hi guys! I'm excited to open this package. This arrived today. This is actually lactation goodies. Um, I wish I had this early on after giving birth because I really needed to take some, what do you call this? I needed to take some supplements to help me with breastfeeding my baby. I mean, I've made some cookies myself for friends, but I didn't really have time to bake for myself after giving birth. So I resorted to buying supplements from the pharmacy and ordered it online, which actually was pretty expensive because one of the bottles that I ordered was around 20 to 30 euro. I cannot even remember how much it cost me, but I think I finished around 3 or 4 bottles of that. So the package is cute. Let's see, and I'm excited to try this. I mean, I remember back in the Philippines, it's something that I could easily get from my friends because I have friends who are actually bakers, and my sister-in-law has twins, so she ordered quite a bit of it. And in the end, my brother was actually the one eating them. I mean, anyone can eat them. So it's no issue. It's just that it contains things that can help you produce breast milk. So yeah, that's pretty. This is nice. Sweets for mommies. And it actually has instructions and information actually on what you need to do to improve your milk supply. So this is the cookies. So let's open it up. It says Carly Sweets for Mommies. That's very pretty. I think this is washi tape. Yeah, one of those cute things that I find in Japan. So I wonder if there's different kinds. It looks to be the same. They're thick for sure. They're big and pretty heavy. So let's see. They're chewy, definitely not crispy. They're more chewy. A little bit on the dry side, but not very crumbly because it's not breaking apart so easily. And you see that? There's not a lot of crumbs falling down. It's a little bit on the sweeter side, and I generally prefer it, but I don't find it overly sweet. It's yummy. If I'm not mistaken, this has moringa powder, and I can kind of smell that, but it also has a little bit of, it gives it a different taste, but it's not overpowering. It actually gives it an interesting twist to the cookie taste. So if you look, okay, because I can look closely here, and actually in person, it doesn't look as green as it does on the camera. It has, I don't know if it has nuts. I see oats. And I see chocolates, dark chocolate, and I think this is white chocolate. There is nutty taste, so that's really good. I like that. Actually, if I'm not gonna stop myself, I can easily finish that box. So guys, this is good for lactating mommies and those non-lactating mommies, or anyone in general can still eat this. It's not an issue. It's really yummy. It even has nutrition facts. It's very good. I like that. It tells you all the things that's inside. I actually looked at the other box because I found this on the bottom of this box. So let's try this other one. And oh, I love the box. I wasn't expecting for them to come in boxes, actually. I thought they were just gonna be in plastic bags. So this is a very nice surprise. Let's see. Makes me feel very special as a mommy. So these are brownies, and as you can see, there's two different kinds. One is darker than the other, so let's give it a try. And these two are definitely loaded. They're heavy. See that? That's a lot of chocolate. And I don't know if you can see nuts and everything else. So let's give it a try. I will try the lighter one, the lighter colored first, because I would guess this is dark, and I don't want this one to feel like it's too sweet if I try the bitter one first. If it is bitter, let's see. It's really yummy. It has guys, because of the moringa powder, it has that interesting, moringa taste. But like the flaxseed, it adds an interesting texture, but it doesn't give any taste. I mean, flaxseed doesn't really have much taste. So it just gives it different kind of texture, and I like that. Actually, I did not realize how good moringa is. It's actually giving this brownie a different kick and a very interesting one. Yes, I smell chocolate. That's not exactly bitter. It's actually sweet. That's interesting. This is dark. This is the light. I find the dark sweeter than the light one. So they're both good. I prefer the light one. I just need to get a drink. I need to kind of wash the taste of sweetness and chocolate from my mouth so I can give the dark one another try. Okay, so with the dark one, I can still kind of smell moringa, but taste-wise, I cannot taste it anymore. Because I think moringa in itself does not have, I mean, there's probably not a lot here. So it doesn't have a very strong taste. But the chocolate is definitely overpowering. So you couldn't taste moringa. So let's just say if you're interested in getting the benefits of moringa powder, but you don't like the taste of moringa powder, I think this one's good for you. But personally, I prefer the lighter one because I can taste it. I find that it has an interesting kick. And I don't know, I find that it's also less sweet and, excuse me. I also find it less sweet when I'm eating it. The cookies is really good. Overall, amongst the three, my favorite is actually the light brownie and the cookies. If I were to order this again, I would order the light brownie and then the cookie. The dark brownie is good, but between, I mean, if I'm I have two to order, right? So I would order the light one. That's just my preference. The cookies is also really good. So, guys, I hope you give it a try because it's really yummy. Whether you're lactating or not, I think it's worth a try and it's an interesting flavor and taste all in all. So, enjoy! 'Cause I'm gonna finish this.